Let's begin now with DAX fundamentals, that is the basics of DAX. We'll be learning now about calculated columns. Calculated columns is like adding a new field to a table where each row gets its own value based on DAX formula like this. It works row by row, such as creating profit column by subtracting cost from sales, just like this. Subtracting cost from sales, this is the profit, right? If we subtract 120 minus 40, right, something profit will be 80, right? So similarly, these things, 200 minus 120 is 80, right? So yeah, so that's the in a nutshell how it works. The results are stored in the model, increasing size but enabling precise filtering and slicing. This makes calculated columns powerful for enriching tables with custom logic directly inside the data model. We'll meet in our next lecture.